Okay, we're going to perform a multi-level sort using an Excel table. The first thing we need to do is to turn this information, this range of data, into an Excel table. And we do that by hitting the Insert and then Table. Okay, it automatically highlights what it thinks is the area. It's correct. And my table has headers, means I have the first row here are the headings for the rest of it, not part of the information, not part of the data. Click OK, and you can see that it styles it for us, and we can pick another style up here. We can choose any of these that we want. That's a nice orange one. Now we can sort this information, but on a single level. If I click on the last name and sort it A to Z, you can see it does it perfectly happily. But say I wanted to have the position in alphabetical order too, I can sort that. And again, it does it happily, but it doesn't have the surnames in order. What I want is to have the surname, the position, and then perhaps the surnames, and then the date of birth even. If I just say, oh, okay, I want to sort it by A to Z of first names, it does everything fine, but it messes everything else up because, of course, the information on the line, all the information has to stay together. So let's have a look. So what we need to do is to come up to Data, and well, first of all, we need to click on one of the squares and then come to Data and Sort. And it's already put the first name in. Well, we don't really want the first name, so let's put the last name in. And we can just choose OK, and it does that for us. If we go back to it again, you see we can put in a level. So we're going to add a level. First of all, we're going to say, actually, what we want to do is sort by position, add a level, then we want to sort by last name, and then we want to sort by if they share the last name and the same position, we'll sort by date of birth, and we come here and just click down oldest to newest. On these you can do Z to A or A to Z, or you can actually put in a custom list that puts it into the order that you want it in. We'll not deal with that at the moment. So we just go to A to Z and we click OK, and you can see that what we have here is the position in alphabetical order. So boss, intern, manager, worker. So quite a few workers. Okay, and then we can see that within each group they're ordered by last name. Now we do have two Trumans, I think, somewhere. Do we have two Trumans? No, we only have one. So if we had somebody else came along, oh no, you do, Jack Truman there, who's a boss, well, he gets demoted, so we'll demote him to worker. Okay, he did something very bad. I can't tell you about it. So he's a worker now, but you notice it doesn't change the sort at the moment. What we have to do is go back to the multi-level sort and do it again. And you can see that it now puts it into the order, and it does it date of birth. But Jack and James are in the wrong order. So let's go back and put that right. So we want to, we'll have it in first name, A to Z, and then we'll have one last level, just in case, of the date of birth, oldest to newest. And you see that Jack now puts himself above James in alphabetical order. So that's how you do multi-level sorting. Remember, you have to go up to data and you have to sort it, and this is within an Excel table.